figure it out.
Oh.
What was that? Did you put?
No, I didn't do anything. Oh, just.
Good morning to the crew. I just stopped the garbage. Oh my god! I'm taking a shower with the rain. Weather is not that great. It's rainy. The weather forecast said it is so good weather, and I agree. Are you ready to go?
That's so hard to see, huh?
This lane is
Yeah.
closed, right? Is the road closed? But we can try. We just saw that the construction was going on and the road is closed, the sign in there. But I think we can get in there, so not many people are using it, right? Alright, let's go. Woo. Today we are driving because our food inventory is empty. So we are gonna go to the supermarket and buy some stuff, and if we have the time we need to do the laundry.
Look at those big buildings.
I know, it is a big building, huh? Can you get a big car?
Oh, these cars are huge.
Spring onions 39p. 이거 15% off. So little app we can get the discount for the coupon. Tortilla.
Oh yeah.
Can tomato soup. This one, right? Creamy
Yeah.
tomato soup.
We need some thyme. Let's see if they have olive oil. Oh, this is the one that we get.
버릇이다, 맞지? 체크하는 거. 깨지는지 안 깨지는지. 어때?
It's good. There's a lot of yogurt. Cheese, yeah. Perfect. That's the one that we like anyways, right?
Big bacon, right?
Yeah. Whoa.
Our backup.
Big one, huh? No, for the important stuff. Sounds good. Yeah. Yeah. No worries. There you go. Thank you. Yeah. No worries. Go ahead, buddy. Bye.
Intentionally do that kind of stuff, right?
Just being impatient. No one else cared. It was just him.
Anyways.
This one is busy, bro.
Hey, no one else was complaining. Just you, buddy. You were the only one that was complaining.
Yeah.
Yeah. Next time, be a little patient, you know, and polite.
썼는데, buy one get one free.
Buy one, get one free. You get two of them.
Should we get one or two?
You can get two.
Yeah. All right. We got a lot of stuff today.
Yeah.
Let's just start. Crazy.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.
There's a lot of groceries, Lucy.
Yeah.
Oh, our car's blocked. All right. Morrison's. Those chickens? Get after before we leave.
But just like good basic
Okay.
ramen. Can I have a 불닭볶음면?
Sure. Chinmandu vegetarian and mandu.
아니야, 반대로 가야 되는 거 아니야? Okay. We forgot chicken for our dinner, so Mark is running back to get it. Hello there.
Hello.
You got it?
Yeah, I got it. I got some coleslaw too.
Let's go to the laundry.
Okay, so what'd you get?
I got the stuff here, but I'm not gonna show you.
You got a lot of stuff.
Yeah, 2 pens.
2 pants and
One is for you. I know you're
one
gonna hate
for
it.
me.
Because you told me that your fleece is quite tight.
Yeah. Which one? Let's see.
I hope. But anyways, he said that like 14 days return.
Okay.
So if it doesn't fit.
All right.
Thank you. 빨래는 끝났습니다. 가봅시다.
Oh no, it's raining.
Oh no, it's raining. Okay. 추워요. 와. 사람 앞에 현이야. It doesn't get the power?
Yeah, it's really unresponsive. It'll go, but it's like the power is really weak.
Do you think it's just stuck with the AC right now?
No, I don't think so.
I just turned it up, right?
Yeah, it's definitely not the AC. The amount of power that's down on it is too low for the AC. Okay, let's try it again, shall we?
Oh wow.
Yeah, but it's still on. Damn it. Let me just try driving for a little bit and see what happens.
TV have a kind of problem with engine. I think that she doesn't get the power that much. There's so when we didn't film it, when we went to Coin Laundry, and then came back outside, and we saw the tubies, the emergency light, that light part is on. It's odd. So somehow we just like kind of tweak it and whatever, just like, you know, off. But now my side is clear. So we thought like it would be okay, just like a minor problem. But now it's like engine light is on, and I think she has a little bit of problem with it. But we're gonna do test a little bit.
Yeah, it's definitely solving the problem. It's definitely weak. Yeah.
Alright. Oh wow, she's slow. Only 20 km/h she can do.
You're pushing the gas and expecting it to go a lot faster than it's going.
Alright guys, we are almost getting to the places. Like a road ahead closed, that was a sign, we saw it in the morning today. This is the toughest part because it's a mountain road, and I'm not sure. And do you think you can make it up there?
I'm not sure. Okay, there's the mountain road there. I gotta start here driving up. There we go.
Oh my
Ready?
god. Alright, ready.
Let's go.
I'm gonna turn up this light, okay?
Yeah.
For visibility. Oh my god. You are third gear, right?
Yeah.
And then we are
I'm
30.
second gear right now.
Second gear. 30.
I've got my foot pegged to the floor right now.
Okay. Oh my god. I need a vodka.
Oh, you know what?
What?
I really don't think we can go pick it up here.
We don't think?
Yeah.
We cannot make it?
Let's see.
Oh my god.
Is the power just cut out?
Yeah.
Let's try it first.
Oh my god.
It's in and out.
Oh my god.
In and out.
I need to jump on to ask help maybe.
Right now it's going, so let's see. I'm gonna keep it first right now.
But first was on and off, right? The
Do you
power.
feel like in and out?
Yeah, right. It basically like killed the engine, kind of like right before to kill the engine.
We're so close. We are so close.
Oh, please just get into the private property, you know? As soon as we get the private, this area.
Oh my god, we made it.
Oh my god.
Woo!
Holy shit. What amazing, huh? Jesus Christ. Oh my god, we made it. We gotta think about how we can fix this problem.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to get into this where we were parked before.
Oh.
I need to come up here and then back up a bit. Amazing, I'm right in the gap. Okay.
So we don't know any the kind of why we are having this problem, because we both are not mechanic. We know our car just because we own pretty long time and quite sensitive about the TV. When she makes noise, we just sense it, but we don't know what is the problem. We just Google it. So far, engine feels fine, right? Because where I'm sitting is engine, so I don't feel any weird feeling on my butt. Smells fine, sounds fine, but she doesn't get power. So until we get to find a mechanic, we might figure it out.
Oh.
What was that? Did you put?
No, I didn't do anything. Oh, just. Oh, it's electronics. For sure. Oh.
Oh my gosh, scares me. You have parking brake, right?
Yeah.
Oh
it's
my
driving
god.
by itself now. What's going on?
What is going on? We cannot start the engine then. Maybe that's not it.
Wow.
Does it again. Oh my god.
Must have something to do with our accelerator, right?
Please, TV. Oh my god, it's doing opposite.
You know how? I'm
Why?
pushing the brake.
You're pushing the brake right now?
Yeah. Let go of the brake. That shouldn't do that. If I push the brake, the engine turns off. Let go of the brake. It's out of control. That's so weird. Okay, so we're organizing this now, right?
이게 한 우리 며칠 먹는 정도지? 2 weeks?
2 weeks, maybe?
2 weeks and 15 days.
Maybe more.
이거 snack.
It's like it says with pillow and dinner.
Guys, we clean up the grocery, and then this like a clean laundry we're gonna clean up later. And the dinner we bought it in at a supermarket is heating up. Mark is bringing me a beer. Today's story was okay, but oh my god, and it was quite hectic, stressful, and shocking. And it was quite stressful. You know, like you're supposed to drive like 80 kilometer per hour. We were driving 20 kilometer per hour. She was go and stop, go and stop. So it was quite not easy. But anyways, we're gonna have some beer and then try to chill. If we worry so much, nothing will solve it, right? 근데 지금 몇 시인지 알아?
9시?
9시 넘었더라. Cheers!
Listen. ASMR. Bentley.
Yeah.
Stainless steel.
Did you see the American Soldier version?
Yeah.
The
Hummer.
grill, door. That's right. Oh my god.
Wow. That looks so good.
This is the best part. 야, 이거 소스. 불닭이랑 같이 해봐. 맛있어. 약간 그 한국 양념통닭인데 약간 조금 매운 맛. Guys, next day, I'm still kind of nervous. She's gonna do that kind of stuff or not, but we're gonna try it, right?
Oh, come on, Timmy. You can do this. And your light's still on. Yeah, still problem. I'm gonna press the gas myself right now.
Okay. Let me go out check the 이거 just. No smoke, nothing. She looks fine from the outside.
The gas pedal
Uh-huh.
is not working properly. It's like doing its own thing, right?
That's maximum you can do?
Right now.
Do you think wire problem or kind of guessing
I mean, like, really.
all over the place, right?
Something to do with the accelerator, but I'm not sure what it is exactly.
Okay. So anyways, the engine warning sign doesn't turn off, so it's still there.
Yeah.
Yeah, we gotta figure it out to find the mechanic who's willing to do it. How are you today? Good? Ow. Guys, Mark before. Like he went outside to find a date. He's the Vanlifer, you know, from Glasgow. So we met him before, but he wasn't there today. So we have a phone number of him, and then we contact with him, and he's a really sweet and nice person. Really, right? He knows someone who can fix our car possible. He knows some mechanics in Glasgow.
He's checking anyway.
Yeah, he's checking. So glad that we know the locals and a plus Vanlifer. So he's gonna check it and then let us know later. And one thing is that, you know, like car problem, we don't know how long it would take. Like finish in one day is kind of, you know, like by luck. So he said
Getting the part, that was the issue.
yeah, getting a part is another.
Getting a part, yeah.
Yeah, another one. I'm not gonna think that far away. So if the fixing process taking long or days, he can stay with his girlfriend. He wanna let us like use his motorhome, which is humongous, right? So it's a really nice.
Nice guy, right?
Oh.
Legend.
I got so touched, right? So we can put a little bit burden. We know that it's not engine problem, something with other stuff, so hopefully it can fix. But yeah, anyways, feel a little bit better, but still a little bit of stress I had. So we are gonna go walk, and you guys think that like, why are you guys walking like at 6 or 7 p.m.? But actually it's just past 2.
It's almost 3.
Almost 3. Yeah, sun goes down so early. We never see the sun. We are kind of basically lack of the vitamin D. But anyways, we are gonna walk, right?
Yep. How do you like your new pants?
Flower, pink.
Flower. Flower.
Oh.
Flower power. Oh, your socks too.
flower. 그렇게 고르려고 한 거 아닌데 그렇게 되더라. 다 도네이션 뭐지? 체리티 샵.
How much were those pants?
£5.
£5?
This one is £7, I think.
£7.
Yeah.
Nice.
And then we did a donation quite a lot to the chest,
Yeah.
heart,
Yep.
stroke. So hopefully this kind of winter, not kind of winter cold season, someone can have a little bit of, you know, warmness in their heart.
Yep.
하지마다. 너무 부끄럽잖아. 근데 오늘 너무 긴장되다. 잠을 못 잤다 진짜로.
네.
잠이 안 오더라고. 오늘 테스트 가니까. 여튼 우리는 솔루션을 찾는 수밖에 없어.
네.
인생을
네.
솔루션을 찾는 데 있는 거지 뭐.
네.
알겠지?
네.